Sanshu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Sanshu What's the current price of the Sanshu in absolutely, my friend? Now, this time, the Sanshu holders are doing a very big mistake. So, what mistake they are going to do? So please, my friends, absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you lose your money, my friends. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. For more details, my friends, keep watching this video and please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video. I hope you also subscribe my channel. So now, my friend, this time the Sanshu is the trending coin in the market, but unfortunately now the latest changes of the Sanshu is going negative 19.18%. The price is going down, and also the last one day change is negative 2%, my friend. So now this time the price is very badly going down. So you know what, a lot of holders, when see a small falls occur in the Sanshu so they decide to sell, my friends. And I think that is the biggest mistake of all holders, my friends. Don't decide to sell, my friends. A lot of people, when they see the price falls down, oh my god, it's absolutely a very bad crash in the Sanshu in the last hour. That is only the last 30-minute falls, my friends. Absolutely, the price of the Sanshu is going to earth, my friends. Very bad falls in the Sanshu, my friends. So, my friends, that's not me. Then you decide to sell. No, my friends. Don't decide to sell. Hold. I know that after some percentage of falls down, the price will again pump, my friends. You can see now this time, just look here, my friend. This time the price falls down, and after this falls, they again take a jump, again falls down, and now again gradually start jumping, and now again falls down, and there is a possibility to they again take a jump, my friends. So you have to only hold. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. I really recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. What do you think about Sanshu? What is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.